So first step coming into here, we're gonna go ahead and remove this wire harness right here with the yellow tape. It's gonna be pressed in on the right hand side, and we'll be able to pop that off. The next bolts we'll be removing here on the throttle pedal are this 10mm bolt right up here, and coming down on the right hand side, this 10mm right down here. With the two bolts removed, we can go ahead and remove the throttle pedal. Come right off. And that's what we're left with right there. Next, we'll go ahead and pre-insert these hex nuts all the way through. Make sure they hit the notch, slide them in just a little bit. Same with the other one. And that is pretty much good to go. With the screws installed, you can go ahead and place it right there onto the pedal. Utilizing the OEM studs that we had before, just go ahead and push it right on through, and it should mate pretty flat with the surface there. Next, we'll go ahead and reinstall the OEM bolts right here. Just get them started. With those bolts not completely snug down, we're going to go ahead and make sure this is scooted all the way over to the right hand side. That's recommended by Verus. And we'll go ahead and torque everything down. Next, we'll go ahead and reinstall the OEM pedal on our new studs. Go ahead and get that all lined up. Just roughly pressing for now. And finally, we're going to go ahead and reattach this wire harness. Make sure it clicks. Put it up in there. And the pedal spacer is installed.